Brace yourself for jaw-dropping moments as massive machines push their limits in ways you've never seen before. From unbelievable mishaps to heart-stopping close calls, these dangerous fails will leave you holding your breath. Let the chaos begin. That blowout in the middle of a dangerous turn could have led to a disaster, but thankfully, everyone is okay. It seems like we need a new bridge here. Some believe it was a set for a TV series. One thing's for sure, it looks absolutely stunning. If these cranes were to topple over, it would be dangerous. Even the sturdiest ones would be fragile in this hurricane. Sparks flew out of nowhere, but the car kept rolling. Luckily, everyone inside was alright. The top of a multi-$1,000 wind turbine has unfortunately fallen into the sea. What an expensive fall! It literally split the ship in half, tossing it onto the reef. Thankfully, all 12 crew members evacuated just in time. That was dangerous. The excavator is moving between the buildings high above the ground. These molten metal bars look quite artistic, but are also very dangerous. Thank God, this driver avoided a serious accident by a hair's breadth. The ferry left a terrible mess behind, but luckily, everyone was okay. Neglecting to tighten the bolts on a crane can lead to serious accidents, just like this one. Wow, that was a close call. Neither the top handler nor the truck driver was willing to budge. Look at this! This is the fastest way to wreck a car. Even though the operator escaped unharmed, this excavator suffered extensive damage. Oh, so that's where the game, "the floor is lava," actually came from. Thankfully, the factory workers had enough time to escape. The tower crane suddenly snaps, collapsing dramatically to the ground. That's horrifying. Extremely dangerous blowout occurred in the middle of the turn for the vehicle. The Volvo FH540 is a tough and reliable truck that handles the toughest jobs with ease. It truly is a workhorse. This is how trailers are dismantled for scrap materials to be recycled. In situations like this, you can only be grateful that everyone is safe. What a chaotic moment! It's a clear reminder that even minor oversights can lead to major mishaps on the road. Wow, that was intense! Thankfully, the driver managed to jump out before things got worse. I'd hate to be the owner of the car that was the only victim of such an unlikely forklift failure. A cargo ship tried to pass the Jata passenger ship too closely, colliding with its lifeboats and sending them into the water. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but the damage was significant. The overload caused the truck to lose balance like this. What a dramatic failure! The recovery process for this excavator appeared almost absurd and overly complicated, yet it miraculously succeeded. Oh my gosh, there's no way that huge truck can make it up that sandy slope. The Kenworth C5009 train crossing the Fitzroy River at Maruda showcases just how resilient these trucks are. Operators collapse a warehouse filled with thousands of boxes in just 1 minute.